Guys, welcome to another series of Ebony Multiventures. On today's series, I'll be sharing with you how to make baby's turban cap, and adults too can rock it using your old cloth at home, or you can use your new material as well. But I will be using my old tops that I have at home on this tutorial. Firstly, I measured 46 centimeter on both sides of the top, and I'm trimming out the edge of the top, and after I've trimmed it out, I'll be cutting it out. And I used my ruler to rule out where I measured 46 centimeter earlier, and I folded it. After cutting it out, I fold it into 4 places. Then I'll be measuring 22 centimeter from the first end to the second end. You have to measure your baby's head before doing this. When I measured my baby's head, it was 44. So you divide 44 into 2, which is 22. That is what you will be cutting out. If your baby's head measurement is 50, you have to make this to be 50 as well. So after I've done the 22, I will be cutting the measurement out. And after I've cut it out, I will unfold it, and I will use my needle and thread to secure the extreme end from one side to another. So I won't do it very tight, and I will not put in my needle from this side. I won't put the whole thread in. I'll leave some out, and after I've done that, I will secure it to the extreme end of the second end. After I've secured it finish, I'll use the leftover thread that I have at the first end and the second end. I will tie them together tightly, very tightly, and not. So I've secured the end together here, and I'll be drawing the two ends of the thread together to make it very tight, and I'll be knotting the two end of the thread together very tight. After I've secured the two ends together, I'll cut the essence thread that I have out. I secure it very tight and I cut it out. So this is the first step, and I'm done with it. I cut out some another material, and I'm trimming out some fabrics, and please watch and learn. After I've cut it out, I'll be using these two of my finger to secure a round circle, and you keep folding till you use all the material you cut out. And you keep wrapping till your round circle is well okay for you. If you want it very big, you have to keep wrapping. You have to cut out much fabrics to keep wrapping to give you a big round circle. So I'll keep wrapping till I have my desired circle. So I'm done with all the fabrics that I cut out. So after that, I will be securing the end with a needle and thread again. So I've secured the last end with the needle and thread, and after I've secured the end with the needle and thread, I'll be securing this round circle though to the first cap that I made earlier, and you secure the both together very tightly, very secured. You secure it round till you round it, and it is very tight. Once you are successfully secured it very tight, your cap is ready, and you can rock it as an adult and a baby as well. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and share. Thank you. And here is my baby rocking the cap. Here it is. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Love you.